Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Twitter verification code. First, ensure your phone number is correctly linked to your account. Then, navigate to your account settings and look for security options. It's also important to confirm your mobile device has a strong signal to receive messages. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth process. Verification codes are most commonly sent to your registered phone number via SMS text message. However, depending on your account setup, you might also receive codes through your linked email address. For enhanced security, some users opt to use authenticator applications, which generate a new code every 30 seconds or so. Choose the method that works best for you. If you are not receiving your code, first double-check that the phone number or email address associated with your account is accurate and up-to-date. Sometimes, email codes can end up in your spam or junk folders, so be sure to check there. A simple restart of your mobile device can also resolve temporary network issues, allowing the code to come through. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and are still not receiving your verification codes, it's time to contact support. You should also reach out immediately if you suspect any unauthorized access to your account. The support team can provide personalized assistance and help you with account recovery processes, ensuring your account remains secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.